Yo, well go on everybody. Update. So check this out. So we still have the thing rig up, you know what I mean? Right? And we connect the power probe now onto the battery. That's looking kinda wacky, right? But don't watch that. Bypass a step what I should actually do before in terms of my troubleshooting. Cause I get this wire loom fully open now. I'm gonna get to trace the wire down and the connection actually seemed good. So work my way back into the car and here we are now. And with testing that circuit, we put the key ignition to the on side, right? We have the power probe here and we are testing the fourth, oh, see here, yeah, we're testing the fourth probe up from this 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's like when I do this, I only have that 5 volts, and that's the tool sending that signal to check the circuit. And on the other side, we have 11.67, which is that 12 volt signal may I look for on the wire we may not get. So it looks like it's a bad fuse, guys. You know what I mean? Oh wait, is that the right one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one. And then yeah, wild. So I'm gonna change that real quick and see what happens. Okay, so we swapped the fuse and check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. On both sides. So sounds good. If all goes well, then the multimeter out here should be saying that the same 11 point. Yeah, guys, we have power to that terminal there. Sick. Alright. Yeah, mega connect up back everything and see if the car is charging. So stay tuned. Check it out. So we got 14.54 from the alternator. So we're charging. Yeah, people, we're charging. We're back in business. Hold on, shut this. Shut this shit down. Yeah. We're back in business. So, quick side note, there might be another issue that is causing that fuse to be blown. So we're gonna figure that out in the future, but for now we're gonna send it. So I'm just gonna reconnect everything, you know what I mean? Button up backward for button up. I was gonna do an oil change, but like an idiot, I never buy an oil filter. It's been years, bro, for years of me doing this, over 10 years, and it's like I still can't remember simple shit like that. So we're human at the end of the day. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up for the night. You know what I mean? Small win. Big up everybody who watch the channel. You don't know if you're not already subscribe, share this to somebody where it might helpful too. You know, and just yeah man, keep on doing it. I'll see you next time.